Hi, this is Vicky from patternprincess.com. Today we are going to show you how to do the half double crochet. All right, and this is starting with my a foundational chain. I'm going to start with this because this is oftentimes when you're working a project, this is what you're going to start with. You're going to have your foundational chain that you start with, and then you're going to start to work with it. So we normally start, when you start with your half double crochet, it's normally the third chain or the third stitch from the hook. So you're going to be counting 1, 2, 3. So in this stitch right here is going to be my first half double crochet I'm going to work. And normally in projects, this first 3 stitches that you skip, normally that kind of counts as a half double crochet, all right? So by the time I actually complete that first half double crochet, if you're going to be counting in a project, it'll probably count as 2, just to give you that hint as well. So to start it off, I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to insert my hook in this top loop, yarn over, and pull that loop through. I now have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That first one's done. So yarn over, insert your hook in that next stitch, yarn over, pull through. I have 3 loops on the hook again, yarn over, pull through all 3. That is a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and you can kind of see I want to kind of go faster. It's hard to slow up. And it just becomes natural after a while. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, just a couple more I'll do for you. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. I'll show you how it looks as soon. I got 3 more stitches left. I'll show you how it looks as soon as it's done. And with a little bit of practice, your tension in your yarn and in your stitches will become even, and then your work will be better and better looking as you crochet. And I'm going to pull the loop bigger so you can see. So this is my bottom chain stitches on the bottom here that we had, and then my half double crochet. I'm going to pull it apart a little bit so you can kind of see it. So there's one here, there's one here, here, here. So if I'm going to count stitches now, I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then normally this last little one over here, that with that first 3 chains that we skipped, that's normally going to count as a stitch. Now I'm going to turn this over. You can see what it looks on the other side. See how there's a different look on this side versus this side? So keep that in mind as you're creating crochet projects, what side you want your work to be worked from and look at. So it looks